when it comes to making money online, digital products are, well, kind of the best. They're cheap to create, endlessly scalable, and can bring in passive income, which we all love so much. So if you're ready to jump into the world of digital products, stick around, because in this video, I'll walk you through all of the basics, from planning, creating, and then selling your digital products. So let's get started. To start off, you will obviously need to think of what to sell. And now I know it can be tricky to choose the best product to sell when there are basically thousands of options out there. But the best tip I can personally give you is to think about what your audience's problem is. What are their pain points? And really ask yourself, is this something that'll matter to a lot of people? And remember, the bigger the problem, the more money you can make solving it. And some examples of problems people may often have are financial issues, time management, and then there's health and wellness. And now you're probably thinking, okay, these are all just theories, but how do I really know if my product would have a demand? Well, here's how. First, do some keyword research to see how often people search for topics related to your product idea. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs. For example, if you want to sell meditation courses, try looking for words like meditation or mindfulness. Now, alright, the next step might be the most crucial one, and it's market analysis. You must determine who your potential competitors might be and what are their strengths and weaknesses, and really research this because, guys, this is important. Now, moving on, engaging in social media and forums is also very helpful. Find niche communities close to your product on platforms like Reddit, Facebook, or forums to see what problems people are discussing, what solutions they're looking for, and basically what's trending. You can also ask people directly by providing them with surveys or polls to examine their interest in your product idea. And now, obviously, you can sell any type of digital product. But let's just talk about a few popular ones that might spark some inspiration in you. One of the most popular digital products is ebooks. If you're knowledgeable in a certain area, why not just turn it into a book? Ebooks are super versatile and can be read on just about any device out there. But here's the catch. There's already a ton of free content out there, so make sure that your ebook stands out if you actually want to make money off of it. And on the same note, online courses are also very popular. They provide educational content on a specific topic through video, audio, or text formats. But once again, just try to look for ways to set your course apart from the many others that are already out there. And moving on, another huge hit online are templates. Everyone loves a good pre-made design to simplify their life. Whether it's a resume template for job seekers or a presentation template for students, people are always on the lookout for these handy tools. Now, the next popular digital product is printable art. Think design files that customers can download and print right at home. From planners and wall art to greeting cards and craft projects, the possibilities here are really endless. And now you can also create software and mobile apps for smartphones and tablets. These can include workout programs, productivity software, and really anything else you can think of here. And online games are also products worth considering. If you've got some game creation skills, why not develop video games that people can buy and play? It's really just a fun way to turn your passion into some profit. And now, moving on, we have stock photos and videos. You can sell high quality photos, videos, drone footage, or anything else that creators can use in their projects. And lastly, let's not forget music and audio files. You can create and sell anything from background tunes to sound effects or even podcasts, so there's a lot of options out there. Now, if your sleepless nights are finally over and you're certain on what product you want to sell, then it's time to actually create it. And if you don't consider yourself a super creative person, don't you worry, because I'm not one either, but luckily for us, creating content has never been easier, especially with the help of AI. Now, there are tons of tools out there that can help you, and you've probably heard of at least a few of them. For visual content, you can use platforms like Midjourney, Adobe Express, DALL-E, and many others. But did you know you can even make a digital product using Google Sheets? Yep, you can whip up something like a habit tracker and sell it online. Actually, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. But just before I do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Okay, well, now back to our Excel product. So here I'm gonna start by thinking of the structure. For example, I will separate daily, weekly, and monthly habits. Then let's add days and checkboxes so that the person could check it once it's done. And finally comes the design. Maybe we can add some colors, change fonts, and etc. And here it is, your very own habit tracker built with Google Sheets. Maybe this example that I provided isn't the best one, but you get the point. And to explore digital products even further, check out our other videos for more tips. Now, even if you have the greatest product in the world, without any marketing, it might stay unnoticed. And I really can't stress this enough, but having your own website is a necessity. It makes your brand more visible and trustworthy. It also lets you showcase your products, handle sales, and connect with customers directly, so you don't have to depend on any third-party platforms. So, if you want to create your own website in literally just a few minutes and without putting in too much effort, Hostinger's Website Builder is a great option. It comes with e-commerce features, it's super easy to use, and comes with powerful AI tools, and all of that comes at a pretty low price. So, to get started, click the link in the description below, and it will take you to Hostinger's landing page. Now, I'm gonna do this with you. So scroll down and choose a website builder plan. I'll go with the business plan because it offers e-commerce features and lots of AI tools for easier content creation. Okay, once you've done that, you'll come to this page, and here I'll choose the 4-year duration, as it's the cheapest option in the long run and it offers a free domain year for 1 year, which is pretty great. So select the duration of the plan, fill in your personal information, and if you would like to get 10% off, type in our special coupon code WB10 right here. Alright, so after purchasing the plan, you'll immediately start setting up your website. And as you can see, the AI Builder is asking you to describe what kind of site you basically want to create. So first, you'll have to choose your website type, whether it's an online store, a blog, portfolio, or something else. But since we're talking about selling digital products, it'd be best to choose the online store option. Now, next up, enter your brand name and a brief description of your business. For example, we are a digital product business selling high-quality habit tracker templates, planners, and other graphic designs. Now, again, not the perfect example, but you get my point. You can also provide a website vision. Maybe you want it to be very bright and colorful, or the opposite, minimalistic and classic. It's really up to you. Now, if you want to select a color palette for your site, go to personalization settings. You can leave this decision to AI also. Now, once you're done, just hit create a website and wait for the AI Builder to do the rest. And here it is. The AI Builder has created a website just based on your description. And as you can already see right here, it already has text, visuals, and other things related to your business, as well as pages like shop and a shopping cart. But this is just the foundation. You can, of course, edit it in any way you want. So let's just do that right now by clicking edit right here. Now, since it's an online store, the website builder will first ask you to choose the country and currency in which you want to sell your products. After that, hit continue and you'll be taken to the store manager area. Here you can finish setting up your store by simply following these few simple steps. So the first step on the list is to add products. Just click here and then select what type of product you're going to sell. I'm just going to pick the digital product. And now you'll need to upload a product picture and add the description. And also just keep in mind that now there's a new AI product information generator tool to help you basically save time. Now here, once you upload a photo, just hit generate text and the AI will create a description for you. And it will even translate the text based on your site's language. Now that is pretty cool and pretty convenient if you ask me. Now after that, select the product's price and add other information if needed. And maybe you have products that you want to share for free. Well, you can do that as well. In the price section, switch amount to free, and the visitors will be able to download your files without paying. And speaking of paying, next on our list is setting up the payment methods. So let's get to it. Just select the one you prefer and also make sure to add your official company name, address, and contact information, which will appear in the invoices and email confirmation. Alright, well, once you've set up your store, hit edit website to start editing the actual site itself. And it's very, very easy to use, I would say. You can simply drag the elements and place them wherever you want, as well as add new sections, pages, and elements. You can also change the text and pictures. For example, add a video in the hero section like so. And that looks way better, doesn't it? Now, another cool thing is that there are a lot of AI tools like AI Writer, Image Generator, and Logo Maker to help you create content that saves a lot of time. Now, these tools work like magic. And if you need to return to the store manager, just go to the sidebar, select the online store menu, and click on Manage Store. Now, if you want a more detailed overview on Hostinger's website builder, just take a look at this video right here. So now that you have your website, you're all set, right? Well, actually, not just yet. Having a website is a huge checkmark, but the work definitely doesn't stop here. There are more actions you can take to help promote your product. So here are some tips to help grow your business after you publish your website. First, being active on social media is always a good strategy. Share your products on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and really anywhere else your audience hangs out. And try to create engaging content, interact with followers, and use targeted ads to boost your reach. And also, since we're in the age of influencers, why not just team up with them? Find influencers in your niche and ask them to review or promote your products to their followers. It can be a massive, massive game changer. Next is utilizing SEO. You want your website to be high on the list of search engines to attract more visitors. And to achieve that, you must focus on relevant keywords and create quality content. The website builder can help you out with this as well. So just go to the left sidebar right here and hit SEO settings. You'll see the yellow exclamation dots next to some pages. That basically means that these pages have missed SEO opportunities. To quickly fix this problem, you can choose to use SEO AI Assistant, which will help you generate SEO content for your site. Now, if you scroll down here a little bit, you will see some tips and comments from Website Builder that you can work on to optimize your site. Okay, now another tip is to give discounts or limited time offers. Just create special promotions or discounts to get people excited, boost quick purchases, and just attract new customers. Again, the website builder we've been using has just the thing for that, so let's get back to our computers. You can use a sticky banner to promote discounts or new products in a more visible way. Just click on Add Sticky Bar and insert text. For example, announce that there's a 70% discount happening right now, and you can even add some cool animations here if you want. Alright, another smart move is jumping into content marketing. Create content that clicks with your niche, whether it's video tutorials, blog posts, podcasts, or anything else your audience may love. It's a great way to promote your products while keeping things subtle. And finally, you can always try to run paid ads. Invest in Google Ads or social media ads to target your potential customers. And that's basically it. Starting a business is definitely no walk in the park, but with the right mindset and tools, you can make anything happen. And I really hope I've given you some helpful tips or at least sparked some inspiration to dive deeper into the world of digital products. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel if this video helped you out, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. We'd really love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.